This video is to show you how to deposit your earnest money and your option money. There's different applications. We're going to use the one from Fidelity, from First America. So we're going to sign in. We're going to register. We're going to pick that you're going to do we're going to do the earnest money right here. And then we're going to pick the company that you are going to do the closing. In this case, we're doing First American. And then we're going to type in the zip code of the property, which is 77092.
Daddy.
So say what? 379.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the title company. Hello. Hola. This is the title company that we're using. And then we're going to type in the address of the property, which in this case is 622 Ash Mill, right? And then the zip code of Houston, and this Texas 77090. And then we're going to type in the amount of the earnest money. That can be in one check, earnest money and option money. You're going to type in that you're a buyer, and you're going to type in the name of the client, the name of the seller. It will not let you deposit without those things. And then you're going to capture the check. In this case, you just capture the check and make sure that the check is in the little square. And that's it.